Hello and welcome back to a new video. My name is Osiel Misael Macias Delgadillo. I am studying the ninth term in bachelor's degree in educational administration and curriculum management, and I am currently cursing the educational administration subject at Universidad Tecnológica El Retoño. Through this video, I will explain the three categories that make up the educational system. Each of these categories has a different meaning and they are related with respect to their content and hierarchy in relation to the structure, action, and technique in the educational system. These three categories are organization, planning, and administration. The categories of organization, planning, and administration can be approached as concepts that indicate the same process within the educational discourse. However, it is important to understand that each of these categories has a different meaning and is related to its content in relation to the educational system. Educational organization. Education The educational organization considers the theoretical perspectives that analyze the way in which both educational systems and school institutions are structured and function. Everything equivalent to preparing, ordering, and arranging something in a convenient way. That is, establish or reform something to achieve the goals, coordinating the resources and the right people. In 1891, according to Tyler, in the analysis of the school organization, four main paradigms were proposed: functionalist, interpretative, radical, and radical humanist. According to the theoretical analysis of the school organization, this category involves a sociological approach to the school structure in which the school is considered as a complex organization, approaching the school as a social system under the functionalist model. Educational planning. Educational planning is responsible for specifying the aims, objectives, and goals of education. Thanks to the type of planning, it is possible to define what to do and with what resources and strategies. Educational planning involves the interaction of various dimensions. For example, from the social aspect, it must be taken into account that the school is part of a society, and the changes it undergoes will transcend it. Educational administration. This category deals with administrative elements and processes, which regulate the proper use of educational and human resources that make up the design of the teaching learning process within an institution, facilitating and improving the process without neglecting efficiency.